made it clear I can't win. I want you tonight, but I've wasted my time. I've waited as long as I can. I'm waiting for you to sail up, sail up. Long for the day you take my hand. Nights get last night, and your love so divine. Well, I've waited as long as I can. Long for the day you take my hand. Nights get last night, and your love so divine. Well, I've waited as long as I can.
September 2015 seen us pay a return visit to the townland of Ratheniska, County Laois, for one of Europe's biggest events, the National Ploughing Championships. Our aim on this occasion was to catch up on a few items we missed out on in the previous year. The day started out as a cloudy affair, but thankfully it cleared up to become perfect for this occasion. So after a bite of breakfast at a convenient food stall, we started out to view the competitions. As the horse ploughing was close at hand, we decided to take a look. All of the old stalwarts, and indeed some new ones too, from counties Laois, Offaly, Kildare, Cork, Louth, Limerick, Galway, Westmeath and Longford, were battling it out to turn over that perfect sod which would catch the judge's eye, and hopefully bring home that elusive piece of silverware which they missed out on previous years.
The demerger to drive the value of the company has all been with the view to improving the lot of our farmers, and that's what a co-op should have in its head, and that's what GII was formed for. And as part of this, we're involved in all of these quality improvement procedures, and we're delighted to be on board with Check Ireland and Animal Health Ireland here today. So,
thank you very much, Henry. So put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, our chairman Henry, and of course Finola as well. We have our award winners here. As I said earlier, they're a cross-section of the awards, and we're going to introduce you to the awards, and each will be presented individually. So we're starting off.
The farming community are complimented here by all degrees of advice from the various centres set up by the bodies of Teagasc, Board Bia, IFA, National Dairy Council and the National Ploughing Association itself, whereby a young farming couple, by way of their inheritance, can put a foot on that first important step to a successful farming life in the years ahead.
Good, it's good, good. All the new plants and equipment. Oh, it's really much, yeah.
The trade stands were in abundance here today, to the delight of a crowd of 120,000 plus spectators who came through the turnstiles. Business, of course, being brisk as always. An item of interest we took notice of were the number of young people, both boys and girls, carrying hurley sticks, purchased here from a number of manufacturers' stalls on the site, among them being Galway's hurling star Joe Canning from Portumna.
We'll take it out now.
You're very welcome here to the IBPA display at the National Ploughing Championships here in Ratheniska. And we've been here for the last 3 years. We believe this moving on, but we're having three great beers here. And some of the displays here today has taken big effort by the owners to get it here today. And the first one there is Laois. Little Ferguson car, original, made by Ferguson, the fruit of Massey Ferguson tractor. And you will see that it's putting along. The tractor is owned by them.
No lift down, not one take off.
As we moved to the lower end of the enclosure to view the remaining few items, which included the old farm working tools of 2, 3 and 4 pronged forks, timber hand hay rakes, diamond-shaped shovels, spades and knives. It was then that we spotted a lady dressed up as an old Irish washerwoman wearing the blue bib and pixie, displaying an old wooden tumble washing machine and manga from the middle 1800s. The exhibitors here on this occasion were Anne Murray and Eamon Benson from Kinmore Key in County Wexford. And also working was a Dene thrashing mill and straw chopper. They also advised us that this machine, which was originally used by the farming gentry to chop straw for animal feeding, but it ended up as a tool to manufacture bedding mattresses for the native Irish during the reign of imperialism.
sorry, love. The machine was made in 1857 by Bradford and Company in London. It was transported to Ireland to a lady at the Manor's house. We don't know what house in particular now. But anyway, it was for a lady in a Manor's house. Replaced 2 washerwomen. What they done in a week, this machine done in a day.
They've had us off.
I'm going to show you how it works then. So there was hot water in this. Now I've done that for about 10 minutes. This is the soap we're going to use. It's called carbolic soap. Watch it, the smell of it actually. You still buy these in the co-op. Fantastic for your skin, right? Seriously.
Yeah, probably just so there's no
Keep going. With the vintage ploughing finished and the victory dance almost over, it's time for us to head for the hills also. And after a fabulous day's entertainment, we wish the organisers the same success in the future, and may the sun always shine on this occasion. Agus go dtí an am seo chéile, mar mis beo an am seo haríis. Slán.